Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Veeam Backup for AWS from version 7 to version 8. If you go to Configuration, then Support Information, Updates, and you click on the Veeam Updater, you'll see that you cannot install the updates from the Veeam Backup for AWS appliance because now Veeam Backup for AWS is connected to Veeam Backup and Replication, so you need to update it from the Veeam Backup and Replication console. So let's close it. Here I have the documentation open already, and I'll leave the link for the documentation in the description below. We first have to install an AWS plugin for Veeam Backup and Replication. So let's click here, Deployment, install the plugin, and we need to go to the Veeam Backup and Replication download page. This is the initial page. I have already logged in, so I'm going to my account. And here are all the products that we can download, all the new versions. And if we scroll down and we go to Cloud Plugins, we'll find our AWS plugin for Veeam Backup and Replication. So let's download it. Let's open the downloaded file and launch the installation file. App to make changes? Yes. Let's close our Veeam Backup and Replication. Let's click Retry. Okay. At the license agreement steps, you can view the license agreement, the policy, and the required software. Click Accept, click Next, and click Upgrade. Great, our installation has finished, so let's click Finish. Now let's go back to our Veeam Backup and Replication console. And since we already had a Veeam Backup for AWS appliance in our Veeam Backup and Replication, it will display a warning notifying us that the appliance must be upgraded. So let's click Apply, and yes, to automatically upgrade the appliance to the necessary version. Great, all the components have been upgraded. Let's click Finish. If we go to our Veeam Backup for AWS server, open console, we have to update some permissions, but let's go to Configuration, Support, Updates, and now you can see we have the version 8.0.